Namaskara. For every student of Yashaswi Vaani, there is an exclusive offer that is being launched for this November in honor of Kannada Rajyotsava. Yes, as I promised you all that the books that are launched by Yashaswi Vaani are an exclusive offer of 25% off on every book that is being launched by Yashaswi Kannadavaani. So which are those books? Those books are the storybook level 1, storybook level 2 and storybook level 1 transliterated, then spoken Kannada book for the adults, then you have a level 1 and level 2 books for the beginners, tense book and the tense practice book also. Then we have a vocabulary book which is not included in this deal, only the vocabulary book, except that all the books are under the offer of 25% off, and this offer runs for the entire month of November in honor of a Kannada Rajyotsava. Yes, for all the love and support that I'm getting from you all, this is one of the way that I can show my gratitude to you all. So there is an offer. Make use of this offer, take advantages of this offer and get the book for yourself, or you can also gift book for others too in occasion of this Deepavali or the Kannada Rajyotsava. A good way of presenting alva. Presenting a book is always a wonderful way in, especially for me, I love gifting books. So make use of this offer which runs for the entire month and share word about this to every one of your friend. The books are for the children. There are books for the children as well as the adults. So you can spread the word to everyone who are looking for the book from the basic, especially. Okay, now from the basic, all the topics is being covered in all these books. Make use of these books, enjoy reading, enjoy the knowledge, share the knowledge also. So thank you so much everyone. For the link of the books, how to purchase this, you have to go to the description box to get the link. So the link for every book is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the link and purchase the book. If you're finding it difficult, do let me know in the comment section, or you can write mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Okay, now so as you click the link, there is nothing that you have to gonna do. It directly take you to the discounted price itself, so no need to worry about that one. So that's it, the announcement from my end about the exclusive offer of 25% off on all the books that we have launched from Yashaswi Kannadavaani on the entire month of November 2023. Enjoy Madi, Chanagi Odi, and see you all. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada.